Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Things. In previous video we have discussed about assignment operators, and in this video we will learn about what are the identity operators present in Python and how we can use them. So let's start the video right now. So now I am inside my Python tutorial folder, so I will right click here and click here show more options, and then click here open with code. Then this current folder will open inside VS Code. Okay, so you can see the current folder is opening inside VS Code, and I will just close the terminal, and I will close this previous file, and I want to create a new file over here. So for that I will click here new file, and I will give the name as tutorial 15 underscore identity underscore operators, okay, dot py, and then press enter. You can see the file is created, and we will discuss about identity operators, right? So before that I want to tell you so something, that if you want to create multiple variables, then how you can create them. Okay, so let me show you. If I want to create 3 or 4 variables, then I need to write it as a is equals to suppose 3, and b is equals to suppose 5, and c is equals to suppose any string. So I will take here as suppose coding things. Okay, coding things. Then you can see I have created 3 variables. Okay, so this thing is happening by writing 3 lines of code. Okay, so these things can be done in a single line also. So see how I can write these things in a single line. Okay, so let me comment these things first. I'll comment these things. So you can see I will write it in a single line, that is a comma b comma c is equals to 3 comma 5 comma coding things. Okay, coding things. Okay, coding things. So if I want to print the value of a and the value of b and c, then you can see the value of b and the value of c. I will just run this file, then you can see the values. Okay, so you can see here 3 5 and coding things. Okay, that means the value of a is 3, and the value of b is 5, and the value of c is coding things. Okay, so in this way you can do multiple assignments in a single line. Okay, so you can create multiple variables in a single line. Okay, so I will just clear the terminal, and we will discuss about what is identity operator, right? So identity operators, there are total 2 identity operators present in Python. One is operator and another one is not operator. Okay, so these operators are used between objects. Okay, that means if 2 objects are same or identical, then this is operator is give you the answer as true. Okay, and if the both the objects are not identical or not same, then this is operator will give you the answer as false. Okay, so let me show you by taking an example. If I take a number, suppose norm1 is equals to suppose 5, and norm2 is equals to suppose 5. Okay, so you can see these 2 variables contain 5, that means these objects are same. Okay, so these 2 variables contain same object. So if I perform is operation, then see what happens. I will directly print the result. Okay, so we can write expressions inside print function. Okay, so now I will write here norm1 is norm2. Okay, norm1 is norm2. So I will just run this file. You can see the result. The result should be come as true. Okay, so you can see true is coming. So let me clear the terminal and comment the previous print statement. I'll comment this previous print statement. Now I will run this file, then you can see true should come. Yes, so this is coming as true. So that means these two objects are same, so that's why this expression is giving the result as true. Okay, take another example. Norm 3. Okay, norm 3 is equals to suppose 7. Okay, now if I print the result, norm 1 is norm 3, and I will just comment this line, and I will run this file. You can see, false is coming. Okay, so that means this norm 1 and norm 3 are not same objects or are not identical. Okay, so in this way this each operator works in Python. Okay, so now we will see how is not operator works in Python. So is not. Okay, so similar to is not also works in the similar way. So if both the objects are same, then this is not operator will give you the result as false. Okay, so let me take an example. First of all, clear the terminal, then is not, we will use is not operator here. Okay, so here I have declared three variables. Okay, so if I write here print norm1 is not norm2, then you can see the result will come as false. Okay, so you can see false is coming. So I will comment the previous print statement. So you can see, I'll run it again. So you can see false is coming. Okay, so that means norm1 and norm2 are same object, but here we are writing norm1 is not norm2. Okay, so if these two variables have same object, then this is not operator will give you the result as false. Okay, so if these variables have two different objects, then it will give you the result as true. Okay, so let me show you. If I write print norm1 is not norm3, then you can see the result must be true. Okay, I will comment this and clear the terminal and run the file, then you can see the result is coming as true. Okay, so that means here norm1 is not norm3, so it is true because norm1 is 5, norm3 is 7, so these are different objects. Okay, so when different objects are there, then is not operator will give you the answer as true, and when the objects are same, then is not operator will give you the answer as false. Okay, so in this way the identity operators works in Python. Okay, so this is it for now. We will continue from this onwards in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.